Hey guys, I'm at the train station. I got here like an hour ago, but I'm finna go see Thomas the Train. You want me to? Y'all go see him. He got some trains. Hear me? So, Thomas the Train. I'm gonna go see him. So, just check him out in a minute.
He's covered up.
His face covered up. I don't know why.
Please don't touch.
It said, please don't climb. It's good. Okay. Here go Thomas the Train. Yeah, I see him, but his face covered up. He got a whole bunch of trains in here. I'm going back to the place I just was. Here go my sister. He got some wood in here. Oh, he got a dog. I see the dog. Alright. So, in this video, I made a video. Subscribe, like, and comment on this video. It's your boy Shawn. Zoe, you want to be in my video? I guess you want. Let's go with my sister Zoe. She's scared. She's scared of trying when they blow the smoke. But I'll make another video and I'll get back on the train.